two caps sort of wired or taped together. And the foghorn itself.
Should I use a glove?
Nah, you won't get a shock, I hope. Well, yeah, use your gloves. We'll be as careful as possible. Hey, we got voltage. 24 volts.
What do I do? Pull the switch?
Oh, yeah, let me back up a little. That should do it. Nothing?
No pilot light coming on here.
Is it coming on?
No, it's not?
It's not?
Nope.
Okay.
You ready?
Go for it.
Something stuck?
No. I was thinking cycle, but... Power off the inverter for a second.
Did you get that on video?
Yep.
Leave it like that and see if it comes on by itself. Do you think it might without that sound, or?
It might. But what triggers it when you're in the lighthouse?
I don't know. I thought it was something in here. I'll give it another couple seconds and then we'll see. But that's pretty thrilling that it did that.
Well, you got your grunt.
Yeah, at the end.
Now don't do that too often, that's your dummy load.
Oh. What do you figure, it's about 60 seconds?
Yeah. It's hard to believe they'd have a tone like that going all the time.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Maybe if it's off, it'll go by itself in 60 seconds? Maybe not.
But something would have to trigger it to go off. Like, do they just go in there and throw a switch to the battery?
So it did 2 right there. I'm wondering if it's going to do some by itself in a minute.
Okay.
You okay with your hearing?
Yeah.
Okay.
So about 5 seconds after?
About 3 seconds after, yep. I think it did the first one.
That doesn't sound right.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Just
well.
start it and let it go.
Well, Rick, hell of a stereo system you got there.
Yeah, sounds real good, doesn't it?
Enough to piss off the neighbors. The relay?
No, it just did the 2.
Yep.
So it's on some type of a cycle, isn't it? Oh look, maybe it's every 2 minutes. You know something, I'm going to leave that off and just see if it comes on itself.
Okay.
Okay. You ready?
Yep. Fire up.
Okay.
So I get shot at controls there.
Oh, you want to get a better shot? Here, let me get out of the way. You want me to pull it up while you're doing that?
No, no, it's okay.
I'll do it anyways, while you're filming. You got your earplug in?
Yep.
Hello. Testing, 1, 2.
That's hilarious.